Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we're going to explore the life cycle of a class in C#. Think of it like the journey of a real-life object, from creation to usage to cleanup. So, what do we mean by the life cycle of a class? It's the entire journey of a class, from the time a class is defined, to when an object is created using that class, used during the program, and finally destroyed when it's no longer needed. Let's break this down step by step. The journey begins with class declaration. This is where you write the class code, its name, properties, methods, and constructor. Right now, this class is just a blueprint. No car has been built yet. We've only defined how it should look and behave. Step 2. Object creation, instantiation. Next comes the most exciting part, creating an object from the class. This is called instantiation. This line tells the computer, hey, build a real car object using the car blueprint. When this happens, memory is allocated for that object, and the constructor is called automatically. Let's take a closer look at what happens in memory when we write this line of code. Car mycar is equal to new car. Even though it looks simple, there's a lot going on behind the scenes. The moment this line gets executed in the main method, C# divides the memory into two main areas, stack memory and heap memory. In stack memory, the variable mycar is created. But remember, mycar doesn't hold the actual car object. It only holds a reference, like a pointer, that tells the program where the real object lives in memory. The keyword new creates a real car object in heap memory. This is where the actual data lives, like its properties, for example color, and methods like drive. So the object lives in the heap, and the reference to it, mycar, lives in the stack. Now here's the important connection. The mycar variable in the stack points to the car object in the heap. This is how your program keeps track of where your object is. Think of it like this. You have a remote, mycar, stored in your hand, stack, and it controls a car parked outside, object in heap. The remote doesn't contain the car, but it knows where the car is. So to summarize, mycar is stored in the stack as a reference. New car creates the actual car object in the heap. The arrow in the diagram shows this reference connection. This separation of stack and heap is how C# efficiently manages memory, keeping the lightweight references close and the heavier objects in a managed area. Step 3. Object initialization. Once the object is created, we can initialize its values. mycar.color is equal to red. Now the object is ready to be used. Step 4. Using the object. Now comes the part where we use the object. We can call its methods or access its data. mycar.drive. At this stage, the object is actively doing what it was designed for, just like driving a real car. Step 5. Object destruction or cleanup. Finally, when the object is no longer needed, it's destroyed. In C#, we don't manually destroy objects. The garbage collector automatically frees up the memory. We will learn about garbage collector later in the course. Let's quickly recap the life cycle of a class in C#. 1. Declare the class, define the blueprint. 2. Instantiate the object, create a real object from the class. 3. Initialize the object, set up its data. 4. Use the object, call its methods, and use it in the program. 5. Destroy the object, let the garbage collect clean up. And that's it. You've just learned the full life cycle of a class in C#. From blueprint to cleanup. It's like giving life to a digital object. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into constructors and destructors and how they work behind the scenes. Don't forget to write a few classes of your own and trace their life cycle step by step. See you in the next one.